So in today's video, I will tell you that how you can be able to replace your downlights. So as you can see in my kitchen, this downlight has gone out, it's fused and I need to replace it. And in today's video, I will show you how to replace this downlight. Alright, so gently pull or twist the cover surrounding the downlights. Pull the fitting gently out of ceiling, and there you will see a clip around both sides. Just pull it out this way, and then underneath you will see the plug, which you need to take it off. Like this. And then to attach the new downlight, you need to plug it in of the new downlight plug and then push back in with the clip. Make it straight, push it in, and this is a super easy step to replace your downlights. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.